for wall decor ideas to refresh your space? Those empty walls are filled with possibilities, and a few additions can make a house feel like a home. If you are ready to turn that stark, bare, empty walls into stylish centerpieces, then keep watching. Hey guys, my name is Suma Babu, the artist behind Palette Light. I make videos on art, craft and gardening related topics. Today we are going to turn that empty wall into a gallery wall. That too using these paper plates. Are you ready? I got the parcel like this. These are 100% biodegradable paper plates. It comes in different sizes. I bought this online. I'll be sharing link in the description. I bought this small size plates. It actually resembles a photo frame. You can make infinite range of home decors out of it. But today I'll be sharing a simple decor idea even kids can try. I'll be showing 3 types of decors today. For that, we need these types of craft papers. Even the plain colored chart papers also will do. Take any colorful papers like gift wrappers, tissue papers, rice paper, pastel paper, etc. Even you can use printouts and magazine cuttings. Measure the dimension of the area where we are going to stick the paper. This one is 12 by 12 centimeters. So I am ready with my paper cuttings. We are going to stick this paper using Mod Podge or decoupage glue, or else we can make our own DIY decoupage glue. I have made a detailed video on this, so please check that in the description. Apply 2 coats of glue over the paper also, one after drying the first coat. And the second type of decor is again a sticking project, but this time with cloth. I am using some leftover piece of cloth I got after stitching my kurti. You can even use your nice printed old clothes as well. We have to follow the same method like we did with the paper. Glue it on the paper plate and cover the cloth as well. We will keep it for drying for about half an hour. You can make a collage of your own favorite cartoon characters, or you can make a family photograph series, or your favorite motivational quotes. The third type of decor is painting directly on them. Before painting, secure the sides with masking tape. You can take this out later, but be gentle while sticking it since it is a paper plate. You can choose your own subject. You may use acrylic colors for this project, which is an all-surface paint. One of my favorite too. You can prime the surface with gesso or a primer. It is totally optional. But here I am going to paint directly on it. I am using this acrylic pouring medium. If you don't have one, you can use normal bottle or tube acrylic colors. We are going to do some abstract paintings. I'll make a detailed video on this topic later. Here I just want to introduce the subject. First of all, pour some paint over the base. I have green and pink colors with me. Don't plan anything. Then you have to use one polythene cover like this. You can use any plastic covers. Make a ball out of it. Then gently press and make patterns. Continue till the desired result. Don't worry how it turns out, but always you can rework on it by pouring more colors on the base. Now I'll use some white color also. See how the patterns are made. I'm happy with this pattern, so let it dry. Then only you have to remove the masking tape. I'm planning one more abstract today. This time I'm using 2 bottle acrylic colors. You can use any number of colors. And I'm using a round brush for making patterns. Simply play with the colors. Nothing to worry, I'm applying colors in a particular pattern. I'm not making any long brush strokes. You have to fill the area, that's it. If you want, you can paint the whole plate in different color to match with your walls. I have decided to paint this border blue, which matches my house theme. Be careful while painting. Use a flat brush. You just have to drag the brush carefully. We have done it. Let me complete those whole frames. Now it is looking amazing. Plan how you want to display on the wall before sticking. We are not going to use any nails here. We are using a double-sided tape today. Masking tape or tack it glue are other 2 options you can go for. Let me do the sticking. Wait for the final result. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like the content, give me a thumbs up. Please press the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. See you soon with another interesting video. Stay healthy and happy crafting.